What's going on, guys? It's Brando. It's my first ever video like this. I plan to make more videos like this cause content, share the knowledge. So I'm gonna be making Call of Duty TikToks. So first you want to go into the sequence settings. To start off normally in Premiere, and then all the original settings, and then go into sequence settings. First you're gonna want to realize your time base here. 30 frames. You're gonna want to match what your imported clips are. So if there's 60 frames, do 60, etc. Normally it's going to be 16 to 9 ratio. So it's going to be 1920 and 1080 here. So put 1080 here and then 1920 here. That is TikTok's aspect ratio. Did I just click that? I don't know. God damn it. We're going to find out here. So it's going to change it like that right there. So I already have a keep existing settings sequence here that I edited prior. So that's going to be one. I personally take two over here. It's my way of doing it. It's my video, LOL. You can do it, of course, your own way, but I'm just showing you little techniques and little tricks you can implement in your TikToks as well. So here's the original clip, I guess. Alright, so that is, here is your top layer, obviously. Bottom layer is bottom. So what I normally do, take that bottom layer and scale it out up to the top there. And what I'm going to do is do this. I'm going to have the kill feed right there. So actually, I'm going to move this up a little bit. Just about like right there. Because TikTok has that bar right here and right here. So it's going to look like this, kind of. So it's just me like splashing on the kids, of course, every day, all day, every day. Follow my YouTube, subscribe, hit the like button. This is beneficial to you. Alright, so we have that. That's what I normally do. Of course you can screw around, do whatever you want. So next I have my little tags here. Brand yourself. Gotta brand yourself. These are from, I think they're called Creator Set. I did a bundle deal, like 3 little creations here for like 25 bucks. Not a bad investment. I guess here's another little tip. If you have a green screen and you want to get rid of a green screen, or you just have a solid color in the background and you don't want that, go solid color in the background. Drop an Alt key on there. Go over here to key color, eyedropper, gone, transparent. Same thing with here. Drag and drop, gone. I'm gonna add this Twitter one right in the beginning. I'm gonna add this at the very top. And I could add this. Comes in right there, so I could just add this. Up here. Of course, if you want to just look at TikTok while you're doing it, so you just know like guidelines. I don't have any rulers or indicators. So yeah, TikTok's like, I'm gonna say it's like right here about, goes up to about like right here. And then like right here. So I'm probably gonna want to drop this a little bit onto here. Honestly, I don't really care if it looks, personally, I don't really care if it, I just want people to see it, Yeah, and people aren't gonna see it if it's that damn small, so I'm gonna blow it up a little bit. So just mute one of the tracks over here, and you're gonna want to select one of the other. I normally do this like 8, whatever your volume's at. Honestly, it's just gonna matter on your previous. No, dude.
Hey.
What your previous volume was. Yeah, and I gotta add right here, like same game, all that. here I want to add. Why is Kendrick Lamar playing? I do not listen to Kendrick. No disrespect. I just never did. Really. Honestly. I need to find a song before I get going here. Lucky. Y'all listen to Lucky? Gotta. Bet Kendrick. What? Yeah, sorry. So. Right. See, TikTok's all about like engagement, bro. People gotta see it. You gotta get that text. I always have this text that I use. Spicy. You gotta add your gotta see it. Gotta have my classic purples. Really like purple. That's a little too crowded for me. There we go. Honestly, I want to space them out a little more. Again, just do what you gotta do. Just do what you gotta do. I guess I will go through and edit this a little bit, but make sure everything's aligned. Voice crack. Make sure everything's aligned. Gotta make it look spicy. I would just do the little things, you know. Zoom in on that. See, there's nothing at the end here. You want to remind the viewers. So guess what? Put it again. Like, I'm just gonna add probably a color grade. Yeah, if that's all you want to watch, then appreciate you watching. Glad having you. That is a Call of Duty TikTok right there. I'm just gonna try to make it a little pretty, you know, add a adjustment layer here. Honestly, I don't like making the text have that. Oh. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna adjustment layer. I mean, nothing crazy. Just kind of want to like put a little like purple in there. Slight purple. honestly. No, dude! That's kind of about white balance we need right there. Just make it look better, honestly. Like I kind of like overexposed look a little bit. Add a little bit of blue. And then if there's too much darkness.
Another 4. Oh?
Yeah, honestly. No, I don't want any curves for this stuff. Never bad to just add some, you know. No, dude! Just want to make it look better.
Nice.
Little stuff stands out, you know. Honestly, that's really it. Adjustment layer is just that.
Fuck, he had another 4.
Alright, so I just realized you need to export your TikTok, obviously. So, I'll be taking you through it right now. I have a preset here already made, so I'm just gonna go through it. I went down here, 264. Secondly, gonna want to match your thing, so if it's like just not looking like a TikTok, you know, match it so it's same as your sequence settings. Make sure your frame rate is the same as your clips. So if they were 30 frames, 30 frames. But if you want to just make it 60, you can definitely render it 60, but more wear and tear on your computer, of course. Go down here, render at maximum depth, more wear and tear on your computer, of course. Better quality. Do what you want. Go down here, make sure this is on high. I think mine was on 4.1 before. I bumped it up to 4.2. I was messing around. Do what works for you. You can just do a regular one pass, but I have done it two here. 1540 for that, for bitrate. And then render quality right here. And that's what I just normally do. If you have any problems with that, just mess around with the settings a little bit. If you bumped them up, bump them down, just adjust. Don't render at max. Normally I find that if you don't do this, it does help your computer render a little faster. Yeah, that's about it. Click export here. I will not, because if I do that while recording, my computer will turn into a bomb. I don't want my computer to blow up. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Here you guys are, LOL Inception. Yeah, hope y'all have a good one. I think I did my outro on the last one, but I'll do it again. I want to see if I can do it the same, because that was my first try doing an outro last time. So I just want to see if I can do it again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making my Call of Duty TikToks. Hope you guys learned something. I want to just teach people how to just make TikToks. If you find this entertaining, drop a like, subscribe, follow my Twitter. My Twitter is right there, 715 Brandon. Yeah, hope y'all have a good one.